Tired of renovation scams? Imagine having a guaranteed peace of mind for your renovation. That's why we created HomePay, a secured escrow payment app just for renovations. According to the Consumers Association of Singapore, there were a total of 1,400 reported complaints in 2022. These grievances relate to project delays and poor workmanship, leaving victims financially strained with uncompleted homes. So, how do I get started? When you come on board, your ID handles your project details. You simply review and approve. Your funds are held in escrow by a DBS custodian account until all completed works for each payment tranche are approved by you. By going mobile, you are taking your renovation process with you wherever you go. Review, approve, or deny, and leave feedback remotely on the go. Now you might be wondering, how secure are my payments? Feel assured with all your financial transactions with HomePay's MAS-approved wallet system for your renovation payments. We verify all onboarded IDs, and coupled with our proprietary Home Protect policy, we protect homeowners from unforeseen firm closures. Choose HomePay for an experience that's hassle-free and secured. Take control of your renovation journey. Download HomePay, your app for secured renovation payments.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.